on the coffee, map on my knees. See a quiet logo on a white side panel. Globe traveler sliding through the trees. Built far away in the heart of Poland, from a small bright hall by the factory line. They don't shout loud, they just keep on rolling. Boutique wheels, one of a kind. Globe traveler rolling, take me anywhere, from Baltic shores to the mountain air. You don't see many, that's how I know every single one's got soul. Globe traveler rolling across the land, little piece of Poland in every van, from town to town, all over Europe. Globe traveler, never wanna stop. Resting by a Spanish shoreline, mud on the tires, salt on the glass, German plates, little sticker from Denmark. Stories in the rut, miles in the pan. Owner said, man, this is my kingdom. Tiny palace on a narrow frame. Said they sent it out from a cold Warsaw morning. Now it's chasing summer by name. Traveler rolling, take me anywhere, from Baltic shores to the mountain air. You don't see many, that's how I know every single one's got soul. Globe traveler rolling across the land, little piece of Poland in every van, from town to town, all over Europe. Globe traveler, never wanna stop. Rarest sight on the roadside, when I catch that badge I smile. Quiet kings of the long ride.